Yummy!
Oh no! Why are my pumpkins ruined? That's ours! You dare mock me? Just wait, cat!
Hard day's work, huh? Let's get some rest, McQueen. Wow. Five! Wow. 5.
Won't end well for anyone who dares mock or provoke me.
Shh. What's happening to me? Oh no!
Oh no! What happened? What's happening, McQueen? Whoa! What now?
Wow! What now?
Queen, I need to find help! Help!
It's the monster Tractor McQueen!
Nani!
Run! Run! Run!
Help me! Track the McQueen is attacking me!
Stop right now! I saw Bulldog run into that alley over there!
Get inside!
Report!
Please, you have to help McQueen. He's been turned into Tractor McQueen.
Suspect vehicle, dark sedan, heading west on May Street.
They're finally here! I'm saved!
The police are here!
Get your arms up now! Do not resist! Bulldog! Do you recognize this? Wait. That's not mine! Your prints are still here. You're under arrest for endangering...
All right, spill it. What is this stuff and where did you get it?
You're coming with me.
Look Look how fast it goes!
This is gonna be so much fun!
Let's go! Let's go! Wow! Woohoo!
Look how high we are!
Woohoo! This is amazing!
What a view!
This is my dream! Oh my god!
We're going higher, higher, high up in the sky. Feel the rush now, watch us fly away.
Hey! This is amazing!
Every challenge I will fight, push the gas, then blaze the night.
Wow! The lights are so bright! Look! We are about to enter the Haunted! You make my life so fun, it's time! Welcome to my house! Should we run?
Please! Spare me! Madam?
Nani?
Whoa! Look! The roller coaster monster! Oh my god!
The witch!
What should we do?
The witch!
What should we do?
McQueen! 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 Only he can deal with this!
Okay. We have to go fan the super. We have to get out of here.
Don't look back, just keep going.
Stop right now, Roller Coaster McQueen! Oh my god!
Roller coaster McQueen is over there. Superhero McQueen is over there.
McQueen, 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 McQueen.
I was so scared! I thought I was a monster forever!
Thanks for everything, folks. We couldn't have done it without you. See you next time.
There we go, all set! It looks tough, but it'll get the job done.
Together, you and me. Okay, go. What were you thinking? That car could pull a plow?
Oh, come on.
completely useless, McQueen! You're good for nothing! Just go away! I need to find somewhere to hide from this storm.
Lightning! I'm king of the track. I'm on the road.
What have I done? I must go find McQueen!
Bulldog, Mater, get out here! Let's see who's useless now! Bulldog, Mater, get out here!
Let's see who's useless now. Oh my God! Oh no! Look out! He's right behind us! Crash! Crash! Everyone, help us! Run! Get out of here! Police, help us! Crane McQueen is attacking our village! We're running out of time! I'm right behind you. Oh no! Please don't hurt my McQueen!
Feel the rush, watch it burn, baby. Sirens screaming, nowhere left to run.
McQueen, please forgive me. I've been a terrible owner. I shouldn't have scolded you without.
McQueen, please forgive me. I've been a terrible owner. I shouldn't have scolded you without.
I'm sorry, you two. We've been bad neighbors. Please forgive me. Let's live joyfully and help each other.
Nothing like the smell of rain and radiator springs.
Yeah! Especially when you're with your best pal.
Wow! A winter race!
Welcome to the Great Winter Cup!
All right, racers, start your engines, and may the best beast win.
I will stop you!
holding us!
Oh my God!
Watch me rise above the noise, taking flight, shining bright in the winter light. For speed, living the dream. Watch the smoke clear, then we take the leap.
No! Let me go! See you later! Lightning McQueen! We won!
Santa, here we come! Look at that, McQueen! It's made of candy!
Here are the portraits of all the legendary Santas.
Letter received!
Nice list updated. Reporting to Santa.
Come in, my little friends. I have stories to tell. You have been a very good boy this year, Tommy. Yeah, let's go! Hold on tight, Tommy.
The sun is too bright. Take this.
Magic of Christmas. Help us! To make up for this, you must help us deliver the gifts. And off we go!
Here is your gift, little friend.
Wake up, son! Wonderful day for school!
No school! I want to be an adult!
Must work to eat. School is your job.
Fine. Go to work then!
You will learn soon enough.
hungry.
Here, eat this.
Meow.
Welcome back to the Snowflake Grand Prix. The crowd is electric today as the racers prepare. Choo-choo!
Come on, buddy. Go, go, go. What? What?
And Sonic pulls ahead, deploying his signature spite hazards on the treacherous Glacier Pass circuit.
Gold tree or money? Choose one.
Come here. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. So warm.
I will get my glory back.
McQueen!
Let's go! Ha! Breaking news!
Breaking news confirms the dangerous monster has been captured. Authorities are still investigating how the car shark managed to evade capture for so long.
It's okay, I'm here!
Here.
It's okay, I'm here!
It's finally finished.
Christmas, everyone.
We're almost there.
You like that, little one?
I promise I will go to school and study hard.
Leave you.
Happy holidays, everyone!